have a hosting audition coming up and you're looking for a few things that you can do to stand out from the competition. You want to start strong, you want to end strong, you want to say your name strong, and the name of the show, or if there's any people or products associated. Those are the areas that should be memorized and delivered directly into camera. The rest of the time, you have the freedom to look down as necessary. If the script is written in Bulgaria, take a moment when you first start and take in your environment. If you do that and create the space for us, we'll be transported in our mind and we'll start to see Bulgaria around you too. If you're supposed to stick to the script, which means say it exactly as it's written, you always have the permission to throw in a word or a sound to ground you to the copy. An occasional so, yeah, now, woo, It doesn't change the copy at all, but it grounds you organically in the moment and will make you stand out from your competition. So those are a few things you can do right now if you have a hosting audition coming up.